Jimmy, dime time. Let's go!
Bye, son. Hi, everyone. It's me, Jimmy Dime. Welcome back to my adventure room. Here, we can use our imagination and, that's right, Manuki, have fun at the same time. And me and Manuki were just having so much fun outside on a hot day. So we thought we'd come back to the adventure room to cool down. What's that, Manuki? That's a great idea. We should have a treat to cool down. But what treat can cool you down on a hot day? That's right, ice cream. That's such a good idea. Have you had ice cream before? Then you know how delicious it is. It comes in all types of colors and sizes. So why don't we make the best ice cream cone you've ever seen? Did you know the country that eats the most ice cream is the USA, then Australia, and then Norway? And most people's favorite flavor is vanilla. But chocolate was actually invented first. Okay, Manuki, should we make the biggest, best, most tastiest ice cream cone you've ever had? Okay, will you help me? Let's go! Before we make our ice cream cone, we'll need the ingredients. So, with a little bit of magic, perfect. We have everything we'll need. Like, first, we'll need an ice cream cone. This one is a waffle cone. And we'll need sprinkles, all different kinds, different colors in the shapes of hearts, more small different colors, and of course, chocolate. We'll put those on the ice cream cone. Of course, we need our ice cream, mint chocolate chip. That's going to be so good. And to get the ice cream, we'll need a scoop. Okay, well, Manuki is eating his bananas. We'll make the ice cream cone. We'll take the cone, our scoop, and this is where the fun part begins. We'll put the ice cream in the cone. Right in there. And make sure you get it all the way to the bottom of the cone. Another scoop here, and another scoop on the top. Perfect. Look at that. It looks so good. And we'll need some sprinkles. But which ones? Hey, why don't we use these ones? They're small, so we can put more on. That looks so good. Look at it. Wow. Okay, now there's only one thing to do. We have to try it. Let's go. That's so good. Manuki, the ice cream cone's delicious. Well, I guess we have to eat it. Come on. This is so good. That's what's fun about ice cream cones. Sometimes they can be messy, but that's okay. We have to eat it before it melts. Hey, Manuki, I feel cooler already. That's so good. And now we get to try the cone. Are you ready? Cone might be the best part. I think we should put on some more sprinkles. Why not? That's one of the best ice cream cones I've ever had. I think Manuki wants one too. Hey, I know. Since Manuki has the bananas, why don't we make a sundae with ice cream? The best sundae ever. And with bananas, we can call it a banana split. So we had our ice cream cone, and now we'll make a banana split. Does that sound like a good idea, Manuki? Okay, let's make a huge banana split. Let's go. That ice cream was delicious. So now we'll make that sundae, that banana split. This is what you'll need. Chocolate sauce, some whipped cream, sprinkles like we used in the first ice cream cone, and toppings. We have gummy candies in the shape of berries. We have worms and dirt, but it's not really dirt. It's crushed up chocolate cookies and gummy candy worms. Blueberries, pineapple, all mixed up, and strawberry sauce. And of course, you can't have a banana split without ice cream. So we have 3 flavors: chocolate, strawberry, and vanilla. And of course, a banana split with Manuki's favorite, the bananas. You excited, Manuki? Okay, let's make the banana split. We'll start with the ice cream. So, with our scoop, we'll put a couple scoops of chocolate ice cream. Perfect. Another big scoop. And another scoop, Manuki? Okay. One right there. We can always add some more. And then we'll add some strawberry ice cream. 1 big scoop. And 2. And 1 more. 3. Right there. Perfect. And now we will put the vanilla ice cream. So when we eat it, they can mix together. We'll put 1 right there and 1 right there and 1 right there. Wow, it's perfect. Me and Manuki, we can share. Sharing is amazing. Okay, so now we have to put our bananas on the banana split. We'll put 1 right there and 1 right there. That's Manuki's favorite, right, Manuki? Okay, and now we'll put the toppings. So let's put some strawberries. Perfect. Awesome. And then we'll put some pineapple. There. Perfect. And blueberries. Okay. Perfect. And now we'll put that worms and dirt. I used it all. It looks so good. Now we have to put those gummy candies on. The berries. This one looks like a strawberry. And this one looks like a blackberry. Perfect. And now we need to put some whipped cream on. You ready? Here's some whipped cream right. Perfect. That's awesome. And some sprinkles. We'll do all different colors. And we'll do some hearts. And other ones that are all different colors. Perfect. And now the chocolate sauce on the top. Manuki's excited. Okay, you ready, Manuki? Perfect. But wait, Manuki, is there something missing? That's right. The perfect thing on the top of our banana split sundae. You know what we need with a little bit of magic. There it is! The cherry on top of our sundae. The banana split. It's complete. What do you think, Manuki? I think Manuki's excited to try it. So, now that we have our banana split sundae all ready, there's only one thing to do. And you know what that is? That's right. We have to eat it. Here, Manuki, a little spoon for you and a big spoon for me. Here, should I try first? Okay. Wow, that was the best sundae I've ever had. Okay, Manuki, time for you to try it. Are you excited? Okay, here, it's Manuki's turn. Here, Manuki, make sure we get whipped cream and, of course, a little bit of the banana. Your favorite. You ready? I think Manuki loves it. Look, here, Manuki, I got you. Wow, what a great sundae. We had so much fun. We made an ice cream cone, Manuki's idea of making a sundae, a banana split, and we used all the ingredients and we cooled down from the outside heat. Thank you so much for helping me. I hope you make your own banana split sundae, and remember, you can do it. Bye!
Jimmy, dime time. Next show!